Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Jaguar X Type key fob. Begin by locating the seam and using a small flat tool to gently pry the case open. Remove the old CR 2032 battery carefully with a cloth and note orientation. Insert the new CR 2032 with the positive side facing up. Press the case halves together until they use a thin flathead or plastic pry tool to open the fob case at the notch. Gently work the tool around the seam, easing the two halves apart without twisting or snapping the plastic. If your fob has a metal key blade, remove it first to reduce pressure on the housing. Lay out any small parts you find so reassembly is straightforward and you don't lose the rubber pad or seal. With the case open, observe the orientation of the CR 2032 battery and remove it using a non-metal tool or cloth. Avoid touching the battery terminals directly to prevent oils or corrosion. Place the new CR 2032 into the holder in the same orientation, ensuring it sits flat and makes contact. Rejoin the fob halves, aligning clips and seals, and press until you hear the click. Then test the remote button.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.